What are Lambda expressions in Kotlin? Have you ever wondered how to supercharge your code with the magic of Lambda expressions? In this video, we'll unravel the secrets behind Lambda expressions in Kotlin, a powerful tool that every modern developer should wield. Join us to uncover the game-changing potential that lies within these expressions and witness the immediate impact they can have on your coding mastery. Get ready to take your Kotlin skills to the next level and witness firsthand the transformative power of Lambda expressions. So, buckle up and get ready for a mind-blowing adventure that will revolutionize the way you approach programming in Kotlin. I remember those early days coding in Kotlin as if they were yesterday. I was but a fledgling developer making my first forays into the world of enterprise software. Each day brought new challenges that tested my grit and ingenuity. In particular, I grappled long and hard with the verbose syntax of anonymous inner classes. Oh, how I labored to instantiate those clumsy anonymous classes, binding data and functions together like a swaddled babe. Many a night I lay awake, visions of endless anonymous class declarations dancing in my head. But then came Kotlin, like a cool mountain breeze after days in the oppressive heat. I shall never forget the moment I wrote my first Lambda expression, feeling the shackles of Java drop away. Suddenly, everything was concise, elegant, and beautiful in its simplicity. Like a zebra bounding over Addo Elephant Park, my code was now light and free. As the years passed, Lambda expressions became like a faithful friend, always at my side. Together, we overcame trial after trial, from complex business logic to the most gnarled nested hierarchies. Look how far we've come from those early days of toil. And now, my friends, I shall reveal the deeper mysteries of Lambda expressions in Kotlin. Join me, and together we shall venture into the very heart of functional programming, where code flows like the Ameva River through the valley. This is but the next leg in our great journey. In the world of programming, Lambda expressions have become a powerful tool for creating concise and flexible code. Kotlin, a modern and versatile programming language, fully embraces the concept of Lambda expressions, allowing developers to write more expressive and efficient code. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of Lambda expressions in Kotlin, understanding their syntax, usage, and the benefits they bring to the table. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.